Alright, so for our class project, we'll be creating an animated whiteboard explainer video in PowerPoint. I will walk you through the different stages of creating a whiteboard animation video. So first of all, we will get ready and make sure that we have everything that we need for a great start. After that, we will warm up and learn the main whiteboard animation techniques for text and illustrations, and then we will design the scenes for our video. And after that, we will add animations, voiceover, background music, and sound effects. And finally, we will export our PowerPoint slides into a video. Whiteboard animations are often used for creating explainer videos, so for this class project, I have decided to create an explainer video as well. I have come up with this story about a man named Jack who loves reading books but hardly has any time to read a book until the moment he discovers audiobooks. So feel free to follow along and recreate the same explainer video if you wish. I have attached the final class project slides in the projects and resources section. In those slides you will find all of the fonts, illustrations, animations, and sounds that I have used. Additionally, you can come up with your own story and create your own custom whiteboard animation video. It can be anything you wish: explainer video, animated story, animated presentation. And please share your work in the project section. Just click the green button, create project, add your project title, description, attach a couple of screenshots of your work in progress and your final video, and click publish. It will be a huge pleasure for me and your fellow classmates to check out your project. Looking forward to seeing your works. And now let's get started with the first lesson.